All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about a big update for Bosch and OTC scan tools. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, yes, I am sponsored by OTC. Let me get that out of the way right now. I am sponsored by them. They sent me these tools, but here's the deal. I make money with these tools. They recently did a large update on them, and you can tell a lot more data, functionality have been added to the tools, making these tools even better. I don't know if it'll come up on screen, but I've got a 2014 F30 BMW on the screen. My Autel, I went to clear adaptations with it real quick, and my Autel, for some reason, would not communicate with the ECM. I don't know whether I didn't, turn it on and off fast enough or right sequence or what. Communicated Monday fine with the car. Today, not so much. So I was trying to do adaptation for the fuel trims, did some repairs on it, and went to go do it. It wouldn't work. Didn't want to boot up a laptop to hook up ISTA. So figured I'd try it with after the new update, and I know on this car line it did not have adaptation reset before. Huge update. Lots of new stuff in here. I've been grabbing the Bosch as my main tool for a lot of stuff nowadays. The more intensive stuff, yes, I grab the Autel. If I need to graph stuff, I'm still grabbing the Snap-on, but for a lot of stuff, my first grab is the Bosch. So if you've got one, definitely get it updated because it's a lot of stuff they've added. If you've already paid for the update, definitely well worth it to go ahead and spend a little bit of time updating it because they've added a bunch of new stuff. Really cool stuff. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. They added a bunch of stuff, so that's just one example. These tools keep getting better and better over time as Bosch invests in these platforms. Because they're Android-based, I don't think they're going to go away anytime soon, so they're going to keep updating because they're Android-based. So just figured I'd let you know about them being updated and let you know if you got one, definitely do the update. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.